So guys, and this is the moment. Daniel Hughes from Great Britain. I think he got injured in the Jamaican Racers Grand Pix. I really feel so sad for him because the Paris Olympic is already at hand. But I don't know how he's actually gonna do this. Now moving on, next is no one else interview.
Yeah.
Well, you seem as if you were not satisfied with your performance tonight. Tell us about it.
I was satisfied with the performance. I was disappointed in the gunman. I mean, none of us were even set. Half of us weren't even set before the gun went off. And that's very disappointing to see. But overall, the race was great. I came out here, I ran exactly what I thought I was going to run, anywhere faster than 988. And, just today it just wasn't what the win was, you know?
Your first legal sub 10 this season.
Yeah.
How does that put you instead for the rest of your U.S. Olympic?
Yeah, it builds nothing but confidence. You know, I'm seeing everybody else in the world, and me and Oblique is leading the world right now by leaps and bounds. So at this point, I'm walking in.
So that was no one else interview. To be honest, after Oblique Siville defeated no one else, I was so happy because I was like, wow, finally we're gonna get 100-meter male sprinter from Jamaica that is definitely gonna defend the 100-meter gold title in Paris Olympic 2024. And I'm so excited. A big shout out to Jamaica, a big shout out to Oblique Siville. I'm super proud of him. I'm super proud of his coach. I'm super proud of his journey, and I feel like he's a good example of never give up because Oblique Siville is always taking fourth and podium finishing.